Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Audi 3.6 liter. We changed the throttle body. Let's see if there is a way of programming it after we change it. Q7. Nice car. Okay. I'm gonna use, I call him already. I'm gonna use, okay, I have a couple of lights on. Check engine light is on. So let's go first. I'm gonna go first from the beginning. See what you need to do when you are about to program or diagnose Audi. Auto detect. Okay. The car is running now. A7 Q7. So okay, Q7, this is 3.6 SUV. Okay, I gotta see diagnose, control unit, engine, trouble code, intake air limit, intake air system leak lower, idle control RPM higher than expected, random misfire, cylinder number 5 misfire, 362 all misfires. Okay, so let me try to delete those codes. Erase codes. You must not have no codes. Also, I have maybe some of the air condition. Okay, escape this. Basic setting or adaptation. Let me see adaptation with the. Let me go back here. I want to do something else. Okay, go here. Let me go back. Hard function. Adapt throttle valve control unit. Here. Stay with us, please. One giving me too noisy, but I have to fix it. Okay, now you see here, to adapt the throttle body, you have to follow the step 1 to 6. Throttle valve in idle speed. All electrical equipment are off. Accelerator pedal not depressed. Cooling temperature. Switch ignition on and switch the engine off. Okay. Okay. Channel 60 is the most throttle adaptation, and channel 65 for very few model. So 60 and 65. So okay. adaptation is okay. Say okay. Successfully. Thank you. I'm gonna start it again and see what happened. There is a misfire. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. There is a little bit of misfire. I'm gonna see why. Diagnose. Live data. Okay, so I just want to see if there's any misfire. Misfire total. $14 to 3. This is total misfire. Cylinder number cylinder number 1. Number 3. Number 4. Number 6. Okay, let's look here now. Those are cylinder number 6, 0 misfire, number 4, 0 misfire, number 3, 0 misfire, number 1 is misfiring a little bit. But here you see now, even it is fluctuating, but it's normal. Before it stay all the way in the top. Then yeah, number 1, a little bit of misfire. Number 1, 1%, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, little bit of misfire, but all the others 5, 0. No, this is 6. Number 5 is here.
Paid you yet?
Okay. Cylinder number 2, 5, 6, 4, 3, 1. Now there is nothing, you see. And adaptation is a channel 65, and some of them 60. We can't go beyond that now. it go up sometime. Maybe there is an intake manifold leak. Let us know if there is anything, but I believe for now everything look okay. Little bit of misfire number 1 and number 4, not too much. Please subscribe, share and like. I'll see you in another video. Please, if there is any idea, let us know. Thank you very much for watching. This is Mohamed Harun Idris.